medyo magbe-break muna tayo sa ating travel vlog. Pero stand by for the other installments because I have a very, very good deal for you, for all of you. So welcome to our bodega, our storage area. And as most of you know, or probably yung iba nakabalita, my daughter and I decided to close our neighborhood coffee shop just recently. And syempre po, lahat ng gamit doon, we have to dispose of ASAP. So, I am inviting all of you to look at our stuff and see, kasi baka mamaya may kailangan kayo because we're going to give it for a song. And really, it's all negotiable, and if wholesale, mas kaya nating i-negotiate yung discount. So, okay, I'll just give you an overview of the stuff that we have. Pero ang dami pa actually, pati yung mga 4 pang kwarto yan sa taas. Full of stuff also. Siguro may second video tayo. But for now, we will concentrate on the ground floor. So, let me show you the items that we have for sale. Okay, we have this coffee machine. We have the grinder. We have the blender, the microwave. And then, of course, the cooler, ano na yan, sold. And then, we also have, marami kaming CCTV, yung Cherry CCTV. So, that's all for sale also. And then, dun sa may mga nag-open ng restaurant or ng coffee shop, karinderya, or yung catering, especially gustong mag-catering, we have chairs. Ang dami. Ang daming chairs. So, ito po, all must go.
These are very comfortable,
Really comfortable chairs. Hindi siya, mas
Good
maganda
quality.
po siya sa regular monoblock chairs.
Yeah, it's not monoblock.
It's not monoblock, so it's really nice. It's classier looking. So, there. And then, we have all kinds of plates. Yeah, we have mga white plates like this. We have the bigger...
Different sizes.
Yeah, yung mga bigger talagang dinner plates. And then we have all kinds of glasses also. And then saucers, mga bowls, mga soup bowls. Like everything. We have service plates na magaganda po. As in really like nice.
I'll show them over here.
Can you show them the really nice plates?
Yeah. We have a lot.
Ayan. And then, we also have, ito, ang daming glasses, iba-ibang glasses, iba-ibang sizes. And then, ito po, yung mga parang bins, na crates and bins. We have those also. And, yeah, sa mga nagpa-party tray business, yung food party trays, we have aluminum pans para po sa, sa inyong food, no? And then, we also have pizza boxes.
Yeah, the brown one.
Over there. Ayan, yan po.
The brown.
The brown one. Ayan. So, lahat yan for sale. And then, ito yung shaving dishes. Kasi medyo mahal po yan, lalo na kung brand new. And we're gonna sell it for cheap, really, just to get rid of it na.
It comes with the shaving dish light.
Oo, may light siya. So, para complete setup kayo sa inyong buffet table. And then,
The sofa is also
yeah,
for
this
sale.
sofa, this is so comfortable actually. Napaka-comfy niya. Actually, ayoko sana tong event. Kaya
No
lang,
space.
wala nang space talaga. But this one is really comfy. And then we have
So, two-seater.
a room full of sound systems,
Yes.
speakers and all, nandun sa taas. But just to give you a sample, ito. Pero isang katutak na speakers.
Okay.
And then, we move to the other side. Yeah, we have...
Here are the pans.
Oh, yeah, we have the pans. Iba-ibang sizes. Ang dami niya. Ayan. And these are good quality. Hindi siya yung magaan. Actually, mabibigat siya. Medyo heavy duty. So, pans. Ayan. Malalaki to maliliit. Meron.
All
sizes. And then, ito, more serving plates. Ayan.
Pasta maker.
Pasta maker. We have a pasta maker. We have, yung
That's
mixer.
KitchenAid.
KitchenAid mixer.
Yeah.
Ito, mahal tong KitchenAid. So, yeah.
Actually,
I'm
I'm torn.
torn. Yeah.
gonna give, but-
Okay. If nobody buys it na, we'll keep it. Okay. And then we have sari-saring mga kitchen gadgets. Ayan. Measuring cups. Ayan, iba-ibang measuring cup.
Wine opener.
Wine openers, lahat.
Grater.
Later. And then, even have this mga sushi and sashimi, parang serving blocks.
Yeah, for sushi.
Sushi and sashimi. Kasi nagkaroon din po dati ng Japanese restaurant. So, we have mga Japanese stuff.
Lots
And then, lots and lots of containers.
A lot.
Ayan. And then, ayan, may mga fire extinguisher pa.
Yeah, you just need to
Refill.
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 'Cause
Ayan.
those, I think, are expired
Yeah,
already.
and it's expensive ang
Yeah.
fire extinguisher.
So-
And we have mga ibang sizes ng pots. Ayan, no? Steamer pots. Oops.
I know the
Okay,
chairs moved.
the chairs moved. And then, yung mga mahilig sa Spanish food.
Ah, yeah.
Ito, ewan ko ba't ang dami natin ganito.
Because our bestseller is
The rice.
Peruvian
Yeah, mga Peruvian chicken rice and all.
and the shrimp jambalaya.
And yeah, so for mga rice dishes or you know, if you're a Spanish restaurant or if
we
you
use
like
this
to
for catering.
if
and-
you like to just cook Spanish food. So ayan,
Yeah.
ito yung malaki and then ang
There's
dami
also
dami
smaller
dami dami
ones.
maliliit. Hindi lang
Yeah.
po ito halos isang isang box na ganyan. And then we have all kinds of ano ba to? Parang yung
Mixing bowls.
mixing bowls.
Yeah.
Rather. Ayan, iba-ibang sizes, may maliliit, malalaki, pero napakadami po.
Yeah, those are very popular. So if you like that,
Yes, and ano,
kasi ang dami na namin na benta na mixing.
yeah, madami nang nabenta. So these are ano pa, no, yung mga hindi rin kasi kami masyado pang nag-advertise. So ayan. And then we have
Mixer.
we have trays. Ayan, ang daming mga trays. Ang daming mga kung ano-anong yung parang sa
Strainers.
kitchen. Ito yung parang 'di ba when you
Food pans.
when you prepare also, di ba, like ayan, yung mga baking pans, ganyan. And then, ito, more pots.
This is the chafing dish lights. We have 3 left.
Yeah, yan yung
We
para sa buffet table.
Yeah.
And
A
then,
lot of
ito pa,
jars.
ito.
And buckets.
Na, show them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this. So, ito yung mga pag nagdi-deep fry kayo. Ayan. Ang dami.
Rolling pins.
Yeah, this. And then, of course, syempre, yung mga pangluto. Ayan. Ang daming mga ganyan. Mga ganito. Ayan, yung mga whisks when you're baking or cooking. And, ayan, ang dami pa. Tapos to, more pans.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we also have Christmas decor.
Yan, Christmas decors!
A lot.
Huwag niyo naiwan si Santa
Wreaths and
dito. Ayan, marami pang nakatago actually.
We have
And
a
then,
bench.
may benches tayo, no? And marami pa rin, may meron pa sa taas eh.
Yeah.
And then we have mga
Menu
menu
jacket.
jackets. So papalitan nyo lang syempre yung nakaprint sa loob. Tatanggalin lang to. You can easily remove it and then just change it, no? Yan,
Yeah.
ganyan. Papalitan lang, paalisin
We
lang.
even have lights, LED lights.
LED lights. And then, ang dami
So
pong-
much stuff. Telephone, if you need a telephone.
Yeah.
A wireless
phone. Yan. And then we have this dessert centerpiece or
Yeah.
canapé centerpiece
For catering or if you have an
catering.
event at home.
at home. Yeah. Ito mga din, bins. Ayan, ang daming mga bins.
So much more inside.
And the jars.
boxes.
Iba
Yeah, I
ibang-
showed them the jars.
The glass
jars.
jars. Ayan. So,
And
of course, yung
juicers,
chafing dishes,
buckets. Yeah, a lot
the
more.
chafing dishes.
Yeah. So much stuff. We have a full inventory.
Yes, full
So,
inventory.
If you're interested,
Yes, guys, if you're interested, pwede tayong tingi-tingi, pero better if maramihan. You can contact us. We will post all the details. And please, we need to dispose of it by, by
soon as
ASAP.
possible.
By ASAP. Hindi, ASAP. By now. By today. No, so, I hope that you guys come check it out. So, pwede kayo pumunta dito sa bodega. Makipag-coordinate lang po kayo doon sa numbers na ibibigay namin sa
Schedule.
details. So, we can schedule the viewing. It's all in good working condition. Some of the items medyo nabenta na, no? But most of the items na nandito naman are still available kasi yung mga nabenta na, syempre kinuha na nila. So guys, meron pa tong part 2 ha. Ang dami pa dun sa taas. We have even artwork mga paintings, and kung ano-ano pa. And isang katutak na sound system, speakers, and all that. And if hindi nyo nakita dun sa video, ask us kasi maaring meron rin kaming ganong gamit. And we have 4 more rooms to show you sa susunod. We have sound systems, artwork, mga paintings, kung ano-ano pa. Okay, so please contact us and we can schedule a viewing for you. And of course, will be talagang super discounted kasi we need to really get rid of them kasi yung storage space namin very limited. Okay guys, contact us!